In the summer of 1927, the world stood on the precipice of a new era, as aviation pioneer Charles Lindbergh prepared for the most daring flight the world had ever seen, a solo, non-stop transatlantic journey from New York to Paris. The stage was set in the heart of the Roaring Twenties, a time of immense technological advancement and unbridled ambition. The world was captivated by the promise of air travel, and Lindbergh, a relatively unknown aviator, was about to make history. Born in a small Midwestern town, Lindbergh had always been captivated by the skies. His dream, once dismissed as impractical, was now within his grasp. The aircraft he chose for this monumental task was the Spirit of St. Louis, a single-engine monoplane, custom-built for the occasion. The morning of May 20, 1927, dawned clear and bright. Thousands gathered at Long Island's Roosevelt Field, their hearts pounding with anticipation. Lindbergh, a picture of calm resolve, climbed into the cockpit of the Spirit of St. Louis, ready to face the unknown. As the crowd roared, the Spirit of St. Louis taxied down the runway, gaining speed. The moment of truth was upon them. With a powerful roar, the plane lifted off, leaving the ground behind. The world held its breath. For 33.5 hours, Lindbergh battled against fatigue, mechanical issues, and the unforgiving Atlantic. He navigated by the stars, fearing to fall asleep lest he miss his destination. As dawn broke over France, the Spirit of St. Louis touched down on a small airfield outside Paris. The news of his safe landing spread like wildfire. The world celebrated the realization of a dream, a testament to human courage and determination. Charles Lindbergh had not only completed the first solo transatlantic flight, but he had also forever changed the face of aviation. His accomplishment was more than a simple feat of aviation. It was a symbol of human potential, a beacon of hope in uncertain times. The transatlantic flight of Charles Lindbergh marked a new era in human history, one defined by the endless pursuit of progress and the indomitable human spirit.